Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet the house, I greet everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. I know say you don't see my people, Mona no verse from you, walk through my hands. It's not easy. So my people, I say may I drop this matter for you. For the matter where don't they happen since. This matter about a KO family, Vera and a Promise Valerie. I say may I still talk my own opinion. May I still drop my own little opinion, my people. If una know say I not talk well, Mona not cost me for comment section. I be Mona try correct me, but I know say waiting I want talk so. I know say na the right way, and na the little sense when I still get, the little idea when I still get. And I say, may I still take drop this small one for you, my people. For this matter when they happen, who to bring on this matter? First of all, more talk and say Promise not do well. Promise na play dumb. For the first time he played dumb for her to let KO family they use his brain. He let that woman use his brain. How woman will tell you say may you never come out for your daughter, you obey. Now your daughter. Anyway, I'm not too brave. Promise. Maybe it is say as the woman talk, as he all might be, now so the woman might be. You know say the woman they after something. So my people, I want to talk to maybe that is a KO family. KO family, my sister, or our fellow Nigeria person. My sister, people they Nigeria when need your help. So many people they Nigeria when need your help. Children they. First of all, let's talk. Your stepchildren they Nigeria when you need to adopt. Why you not go adopt your children, your stepchildren when they Nigeria? When be saying a person when they under government, when government they take care of where that they say person when they their hand, why they not take care of her? Why they not take care of that small girl way? That they take care of her where she's eating where and then they clothe her where. You feel say may she come they visit you. Maybe that place will be boring for her. May she still see our food they eat. Not be to adopt that small girl. When you know say this girl get papa and the papa can still show up. Say, okay, my sister, I need my pikin. You say lie, you know, give her pikin. Where therefore they see that kind of thing. You they follow your fellow Nigeria person. When you not be Oyibo, you they follow your fellow Nigeria person. They drag your pikin, your broads. Follow and they drag pikin. My sister, wetin you do no good. Wetin no good, no good. Not let people they say you do well, which inside you know say you not do well. You just see the fight because of benefits, something when you won't gain out of it. You get baby girl, you get baby boy. You can't still they drag another person picking. Person mama die. For example now, say as you did there, your enemy come by. Say your enemy by. Person, another woman come follow your husband, they drag your children. How will you feel? Will you be happy? KO family, maybe. Now you are the thought to. Will you be happy when somebody go follow your husband, they drag your children, even though the person are your best friend? You go follow your husband, they drag your children. Children when suppose they your husband custody after your enemy don't buy. Maybe you not do well at all. You not do well. For people when they support you, say you do well. I know say Promise not do well when not take quick on for your child. But after e don't come out, as you see say, my sister, as you see say that man come out, wetin you supposed do? You go release the pikin or tell her process, say see as you go take waka am o, make the pikin, make dem forgive you your pikin. Go this way like this, do am like this, so that they will give you your pikin. Not the other way around, say you can't follow person, they drag your pikin. Even though say government can't give you that pikin today or tomorrow, that pikin can never be like your pikin, which you know. You get baby girl, you get baby boy. Wait till you can see they use person pikin they do, my sister. If not be the greediness, if not be the benefits, when you want benefit from that little girl. Now you they brainwash that small girl. You they brainwash her. That small girl they come out, they talk to her papa. Now the small girl they talk to her papa anyhow. Yeah, I know say her father deserve her. Promise, Oga promise. Anything when your daughter do, you no need to take her personal, not just reason her. Fight for your child. No reason her. Because maybe still they brainwash that small girl. Maybe they brainwash the girl. For everybody when they say, I stand for maybe, I stand for maybe, I stand for maybe. For example, if you be man, say, your enemy, your wife enemy, by your wife best friend, no, not even saying a wife, your baby mama enemy, by your baby mama best friend, come follow you, they drag your old pikin. How will you feel? How will you feel now when they say, I stand for her? Una when fear not let una tell me bear the truth and let her know, say, Madam, you are wrong. We love you, but you are wrong. Do the right thing. It's very bad for all of una. Mona forget, say Vera put the matter for head. Presenter, Mona try talk the truth. Tell me bear the truth. Make me bear know the truth. Yes, she do well when they even accept. Make that small girl, they come her place, eat our food, play with her children. Me bear do well. KO family, you do well. But as the father show up, give the father, give her a pikin. I beg. Give her a pikin. They very important. That pikin need her family. He need the papa. He need a papa with her or a papa. Wait till they know what do now. Mona know they do person. I wish you respond when this man call you, say, see. You respond well, KO family. This issue no go dey Vera hand until today. Vera go don't rest for this matter. My people say, son, you know the dry cloth they take. You know work. No matter how you brainwash that small pikin reach. Son, not the dry cloth take. When some dry cloth finish, the cloth will remain there until the owner will go take her. Son, not the dry cloth take. You know what I mean with that word. You be Nigeria like me. Even though you dey drag for that pikin today, you want adult person pikin. Not be say you not get pikin. I never see you. Which kind of money you even get? My sister beg, I don't want control mat give you. Because I don't they see this matter for ground since. I don't they observe una. They see how you want to react. Even your husband not fit talk to you. Until Vera can go the zolo your family they come out before una head will come dey okay. Your husband will be your husband, not fit talk to you. Your husband get children for Nigeria. Why you not go bring all those children? If you need plenty children for us, your husband get children for Nigeria. Your stepchildren, they are your stepchildren. Why you not go carry them come? Why be saying that this one when they abroad, when they government hands? As the father even come out, you do well. I know say I wish you not do one like that. That small pikin go they behave like Oibo. You not go no say okay I be Africa. You do away if we blame you, we know to blame you. You do away when you take draw that small pikin near body. But as the father come out, you try release person pikin for her. You know fix this person pikin forever. I bet my sister do the right thing and let this matter die. If Vera say you don't do the right thing now, Vera go rest for this matter. Try do the right thing. And your followers, when they support you, may they try tell you the truth. If person do this thing to them, will they be happy? If you be ma, you be KO family fans, you they support her. If you be ma, say your baby mama, bye. You now understand the meaning of bye. Your baby mama, bye. And your baby mama best friends come they take care of your pikin. Now you don't come and say you want your pikin. You want your broad. No matter what, say ego dey grant, money dey grant when you the father pull eyes. You release that pikin because the pikin not be your broad, and she can never be your broad. You can never trade that child like your pikin. You can never love her like your pikin, like the way the father go love your pikin. You be outsider for this matter. Even though you they brainwash that small pikin, you be outsider. You not be insiders. Hey, maybe I bet try do the right thing. I know say you don't leave the pikin, you don't leave her. I know say before promise will take that pikin, go through different thing. You go through lawyer, DNA, different thing. May do if na a pikin, he go prove and say yes, na a pikin, and he go take her. Make this matter for come up for social media. Mona for take that small pikin come up for social media. Eh? If mama go, that small girl mama go dey shed tears for grave. She go dey shed tears. Say, see wetin my best friend they do. Why you no go leave my pikin for my husband or for my baby papa to take her? Why you no go leave her? Make the baby papa take her. So my people, Mona no fail to drop on a comment on this matter of what you wanna think about this matter. So my amazing people, if today is your first day of coming across my video, please do me a favor by subscribing on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any big zuzuzu una go receive a bagala, my amazing people. I greet una. I greet the house. Thank you all for your support. For those of you now who subscribe to this my channel, God bless you all. Please, if you know say you never subscribe, you don't come this my channel before, please do me a favor by subscribing on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any video, or now receive the video. Let me remind you that subscription is free. Subscription is free, my amazing people. Support me, support your sister by subscribing. Subscription is free. Your one subscriber will help me a lot. God bless you all. I appreciate una love, una support. Stay blessed and enjoy the video. Enjoy the day. So my amazing people, no fail to like this video.